Today is my birthday and I am feeling 22.
You go bow for the result,
It is
nothing to discuss.
the weirdest woman I've ever been in my life. Alright, y'all, so I just finished cleaning this out. Now I'm about to make the punch. So. And I would just like to say that I went outside last night. Even sad for me.
So fucking are you? Put your hands in the camera and start fucking on her too.
I did what I got when then kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover.
It is, but happy fucking birthday, bitch.
Say happy birthday, Jada.
Happy birthday, Jada. We love you.
Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you sweats on, put your.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jada, and I am here at my birthday photo shoot. As you can see, I'm in my work shirt. I literally came right after work to my photo shoot, but I'm about to get changed. I just finished doing my hair, kinda, and my makeup, but I'm back on when I'm dressed and ready for the first look. Jordan getting the skirt right, y'all. She getting it right, getting it right.
Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you.
All right, y'all. So we are done with the photo shoot. Hopefully, Jordan got some videos in there for y'all. You said you did?
I did.
She said she didn't. See? It don't even be me. It be the people with me that don't be having y'all.
Cause that's just so much to. Okay, you be having 5 million jobs for us at one time.
Talk to the people.
I'm tired. My stomach hurts. I know I'm tired because when I get tired, my eyes start watering, and they've been watering for like a good hour now.
And I'm the one that's been to work today. And she hasn't.
I don't care. It's my day off. I should be in the bed.
Tell them how you had so many jobs and why you couldn't report for them. That's what I want you to
Because I was in charge of managing the hair, holding the mirror, being the DJ, finding poses, like you name it, I was in charge of it. And videos was the last thing on my mind. Like you either want good pictures or you want a good YouTube video. Pick one.
both. All right, y'all. So I done made it back home. It's 12:33. And yeah, the photo shoot went good. I actually didn't look at no pictures from it, but like I feel like I know it went good because the looks was good. Everything was looking how it was supposed to. Today is Saturday, this weekend before my birthday festivities. So yeah, next weekend is when all my birthday stuff is happening. So the next time I see y'all with me talking will be Friday at my kickback or my birthday. I'm a vlog my birthday. Even though I don't know what I'm doing for my birthday, I'm a vlog on my birthday. My birthday's on Thursday and then my kickback is on that Friday. So I'm gonna see y'all because these next couple days is about to be busy, but I'm excited. Your girl is turning 22. Big. What's up, y'all? So I am currently just getting to my lash appointment. I am 4 minutes late, but y'all, it's my birthday. But I'm gonna do another intro to this video in a little bit. I just had to introduce myself right quick. But yeah, y'all, this is my lashes after. I love the little diamonds on there. They are so cute. My little bottom lashes. They are super cute, y'all. I like them a lot. It's giving bomb. She did what she had to do. My girl Leah. And look at this. People's always popping up on your birthday. Like, you ain't want to pop up any other day. But y'all, today is my birthday and I am feeling 22, period, y'all. Not really, but like I'm starting to. But I'm about to go back to Raleigh because me and my man's about to get some seafood. So that's what I'm doing next. I need to hurry up. I'm running late. 3, 2, 1. We didn't know. Let it go right there. First of all, let me just show y'all what I got. King crab.
So this the only part that you really supposed to do.
Look at this. Look at there, ladies.
Oh yeah, I definitely want some of that. Yeah, I definitely want some of that.
I need some butter.
Yeah.
I need some butter.
Oh, you should have asked for some.
I'm about to ask. Let me see. But they putting stuff. I don't like interrupting people.
Okay, they got a man, man.
But it's about to be so good. I'm so excited. And I got shrimp. Okay.
It's spicy too, so it's good. That's seafood. If you use CapCut, it'll say extra. I need some of that crab.
I was like that the middle piece that I'm gonna break, should take some of that one. This is part of the crack though, because it's so big.
What my crab? Fuck you.
Hey, it.
Yup. What are you talking about? This bitch still look good though. You look crab.
Big on the little. For real. You can have some though. It's poking me. Like, this is short. For it to be so big.
You not cut it crazy.
Ooh.
You gotta like, you know what?
Gotta be a good pull. It's like a pull. I'm glad I didn't record it. That's what I feel like I need to do. You want some of this too, right? No,
All
you
yours.
don't.
All yours. Okay.
It is good.
Hold on.
What's up, y'all? So I am about to actually go to the mall. Today is June 2nd and it's the day after my birthday. Friday tonight is the kickback, and I don't know what I'm wearing, y'all. But yeah, y'all, so I'm actually about to go to the mall so I can find me an outfit for my birthday kickback tonight. I actually have an outfit for Saturday and for Sunday, but I do not have one for tonight. I don't really know what I want to wear, but I had to clean up my crib first because that was most important. So I finished it in time, so now I'm about to go to the mall. Then I'm going to run to Walmart, maybe Party City. I don't know. Yes, I'm wearing the same shirt as yesterday. Mind your business. I have not taken a shower yet. I'm going to take it later. Anyways, but yeah. So yeah, I'm going to go to Walmart, maybe Party City, and the mall. That's what I'm about to do right now. So yeah, come with me, y'all. So I just got to the mall. I know exactly where I'm going. I'm going into Edge. It's crazy because we used to like go to Forever 21. I don't even step in Forever 21 no more. That's how you know. If y'all don't got an Edge in your mall, then you missing out. Edge to me is like a Fashion Nova. Everybody is in the way. Edge to me is like a Fashion Nova, but like in store. So you know, I don't know, the clothes should be cute, but they also got Fashion Nova prices. Okay, but I mean it's convenient, so I pay for it. But yeah, that's where we going now. All right, y'all. So I found something that might be able to work. It cost me like $42, like I said. Fashion Nova prices, but it's cute though. I didn't even get to try it on first of all because one size fit all, but the mannequin was small, and I'm like, if she could fit it, I could fit it. And if it's one size fit all, I'm like, it should be stretchy. So I'm trying to find something I can dance in tonight. You know, something cute. But if it's too much for tonight, then I will just wear another day and just wear, I don't know, I'll figure it out, y'all. Simple as that. I will figure it out. All right, y'all, so I made it to Party City, and I got this happy birthday banner in black and just these curtains. I'm gonna make into a backdrop, so I got two because they only like 3 feet long, I think. And these was the options that I had. I was gonna go with the pink, but it's also my friend's birthday. My friend Justin's birthday coming up too. His birthday is June 7th, so I figured I'd do some neutral colors. So I'm doing silver and black. But yeah, I'm probably about to go check out, y'all. All right, y'all. So we done made it to the ABC store. We was doing good on time, surprisingly. Part of me really wants to buy a hookah, but I'm like, I don't need it. I don't even need it. I don't need it. All right, y'all. So now I'm at my last stop. I'm at Walmart. I'm about to get me some limes. Probably get like 5, like times 4. That's like 20. Probably 6. Probably 6. Yeah, I'm gonna do 6 limes. So I'm gonna show you what else I get from Walmart. All right, y'all. So now I'm at the water because you know we gotta stay hydrated. It's like the little stuff that people do not be thinking about, but I'm gonna get. They don't got nothing smaller than a 40. I guess. I guess I'll get in a 40 pack. I mean, I'll drink it eventually, but I was only trying to get like a good little 20 pack. But it's cool. I guess I'm getting the 40s. This is the weirdest Walmart I've ever been in my life. First of all, mainly because they don't got like no clothes, no apparel, no electronics. They just got food and cleaning supplies. Like, it's strictly food. I mean, ain't nothing wrong with that. It's just super small like that. Yeah, I don't care about big cookies. I want 24 small cookies. So yeah, 24 small cookies. We getting this one. So 24 chocolate chip. Then we gonna get the 24 sugar cookie. 24 sugar cookies. Yeah. All right. So boom. Now all I just need is some juice, and here it goes, right here. I wish they had more options, but. Boom. We dealing with these. So I'm probably gonna get a peach punch. The flavor I got was pineapple flavoring for the alcohol. Peach punch. And probably just lemonade. But I might just get one of these. That could be a chaser. Alright, so we can use these as the shot cups, and I think that is it. I was gonna get some red cups, but I honestly think I have enough. So I'm not gonna buy any of those. So I think that's everything. So far I got some limes, shot cups, water, juice, and cookies. So yeah, y'all, we is about to head back home, eat, and get ready for this kickback. Finally, I ain't even sure what I got from the liquor store. So I gotta show y'all that when I get home. But yeah, I'm about to go home. I'm so hungry. I have not ate all day. That's what everything came up to. All right, y'all, so I done made it back home. I am preheating my oven for my cookies. I'm gonna show y'all what I got from the liquor store. So 1,800, because you know you get a lot for a little bit. So this is like what's gonna go in the punch, just a little bit of it, and for shots for everybody else. That's what we're gonna do. This is also for the punch. I got pineapple. And then I got DeLeon for me. So this is my bottle. So yeah, I also ended up stopping at the store to get some ice because my ice machine don't work. And for the waters, which is in the car. So I only bought one thing of ice, but I'm about to take this and put it in this cooler. That's all the ice we got. Not buying no more. I'm about to make this punch, make these cookies, warm up my little shrimp that I got from work because I haven't eaten all day. I need to put something on my stomach, and then I'm gonna start getting ready. So, and I gotta put the banner too. I'm gonna show you what we're doing. I got a couple things to do, but it's alright, y'all. I got 30 minutes left. Anybody gonna be on time? I'm really running on time. So I'm about to make these cookies. And it comes with 24. And I like that they like pre-rolled. Pre-rolls maybe like the same size. It's just better. Alright, maybe, you know, rub them out a little bit. They are on the plate. I put them in the oven for like 8 to 10 minutes. And then while it's doing that, I'm gonna make this punch. Alright, y'all, so I just finished cleaning this out. Now I'm about to make the punch. So This whole thing is about to go in there. And it is 9.95% alcohol. Run some hot water on it. Work every time, period. So yeah. Ready to serve. This is pineapple flavor. And I cleaned this out right before this video. A little lemonade and a little peach punch. Peach punch. And the alcohol. I think it's good. I got a little kick too. I'm gonna just use the rest of this. Not good. Alright, I'm about to pop y'all up right here. While I put this banner up. Alright, so this is how it looks, y'all. Now I'm about to do this happy birthday sign. Call it a day. Okay. I need to take a shower. Do my hair. All of that.
I was like, can you copy the Beaches? And then I was like, I was like, well, who's the Beaches? I said, I don't know, say his name, Mike. just say his name,
Good morning, y'all. Today is June 3rd. Yeah, it's the 3rd. Saturday morning. And I would just like to say that I went outside last night. Even sad for me. Like, I feel like I went outside, but it's okay because I'll get the chance to redeem myself the next 2 days. We are at this little, international food truck rodeo type of thing in downtown Raleigh. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm probably gonna get some Caribbean though, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, y'all, so the first thing that I got is a strawberry pineapple lemonade. And I rated a 7 out of 10. He said his is a 6 out of 10. Show them what you got. Show them your cup. You got blueberry and strawberry. I think it need more of like a lemonade flavor. Like, it just tastes like juice with lemon, not lemonade. If that makes sense.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo, Choco bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did by fountain without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed it, I no go feed it, yo, it's out, I'm a mind that's you talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy, and I know that devils, like the Baba Flayo, Malayo, Tam Flayo. And if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, I did what I got when them kills over. I did try to buy motor, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like Ibona. Now so much you make with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young past, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. I have to say bye-bye, oh. Bye-bye, oh. To the love of my life. Bye-bye, oh.
I'm smoking on you.
It's over.
And that's coming back there.
Got too many chains on my neck, can't even see my throat. These bitches don't do enough, so I always do the most.
We do need to leave though, but we waiting on our Uber.
She can't hear me.
Anaya!
Not breaking up. We say Brunch.
I'm on FaceTime.
Tell Kingsley, wait a second.
I'm not on FaceTime with Kingsley.
Who is it?
I'm on FaceTime with Caleb. Hold on, Caleb.
Yeah, you gotta play this song out loud.
It is, but happy fucking birthday, bitch.
Say happy birthday, Jada.
Happy birthday, Jada. We love you.
Everybody, like I look crazy. This is my first time really looking at myself this morning. But it is finally Sunday, the day of the brunch, the last day of my freaking birthday weekend, and it's like 10:52 right now. And I told people that I wanted to get to the brunch spot at 11:15, and niggas is still asleep, y'all. We had a good time last night. And I know everybody's tired. I mean, but like the turn up, like it's almost over. I'm not gonna say it don't stop, you know, cause I'm tired. But oh my god, y'all. But yeah, the turn up is almost over. Like it's the last day, and I'm ready to turn up again and eat some good food and some good breakfast. So I'm excited for the brunch. Cause we got some people that's coming to the brunch that didn't even go out with us last night, so they're not tired. We the ones that's tired. But you know, we gonna get it done. We gonna get there. Hopefully everything work out how it's supposed to, table wise, cause like it should be a couple of us coming, and yeah, I want us to be able to sit by each other. So hopefully that works out. Plate is gone. Just about.
First time here. If it's your first time to the venue, let me get a ooh. That was powerful. I appreciate that. Okay, well we
Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me 150. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missus. I say we think different. I see. Come, baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, girl. Love the way you twist and turn, girl. Baby, call me eye to fry, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. You used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need.
Hey y'all, so we is back with the Walking Rocco Chronicles, okay? We just got back from the brunch and I feel really good. I feel like I had a good time this weekend. I most definitely redeemed myself from Friday, because Friday I was too late, y'all. I tapped out early, but I'm Walking Rocco and I just got back home from the brunch and I'm about to take a nap and do my homework, okay? So yes y'all, yes. Thank y'all for tuning into this vlog. I hope y'all liked it. We most definitely kept y'all lit this weekend, as we should, because we is big 22 period Gemini season. Thank y'all for tuning into this vlog. I appreciate it. And if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. Mwah.